Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends Vanguard error ban 1067. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, you just need to go on search, go on services, then press one of the thing here and then press V until you see VGC. Then right click on it, properties, make sure the server status is running. If it's not running, press start, make sure startup type is automatic here. Apply, okay. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists and still you're getting error, then open up a task manager. On task manager, go to startup apps, then look for VG tray and make sure it's enabled, right? And after that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, on search write run, then on this little tab here, just write % local app data %. Look for Riot client, Riot games, and delete the folder here. Then go to on search, installed apps. Then look for Vanguard, on search, Riot Vanguard, press 3 dots and install. And then open up a Riot client, launch the game, and then it will install automatically. And it should work. So yeah, that's it.